got the Sonic the Hedgehog bed set from Walmart. It was $27.98. It comes with the comforter and one pillowcase. So if you want a second pillowcase, you need to get the sheets. So this is a 3-piece set. So it has your fitted sheet, your flat sheet, and a pillowcase. So altogether it's 5 pieces, and this is $20.98. So altogether it's around $49 for this twin bed set. I also got the Sonic the Hedgehog plush. It was $16.88. So let's open it up. Let's unzip the bag and check it out. So here's one side of the comforter. This is how the front side of the comforter looks on the bed. You have Sonic, Tails, and Knuckles. If we flip it over, we have this other design on the other side of Sonic. Here's the Sonic pillowcase that comes with the comforter. This is polyester, so we need to do a cold wash in the washing machine before we use it, and then tumble dry in the dryer. The same with the pillowcase. Now let's open up the sheets. Unfold them. This is the 3-piece set. This must be the fitted sheet. Nice and folded. So here is the top sheet. And then here is the pillowcase. This pillowcase has Knuckles, Tails, and Sonic. On the other side it has Sonic. This twin sheet set and the pillow is polyester. So we'll throw this in the cold wash as well with our comforter and our other pillow. Now I have both Sonic the Hedgehog pillowcases on the bed. Here's a look at the bed with the fitted sheet on it. Here's a look at the bed with the flat sheet on it. The bed is now all together with a Sonic plush on top. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and a comment below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.